Assalamu alaikum class, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to have our 6th lecture, Primary Mathematics 2nd edition for grade 2. Before starting our chapter, I want to tell you about multiplication. Okay class, what is multiplication? In maths, to multiply means to add equal groups. Okay, multiply means to add equal groups. When we multiply, the numbers of things in the group increase. The two factors and the products are part of the multiplication problem. Okay, for example, 6 multiply 9 equal to 54. The number 6 and 9 are the factors. Okay, the number 6 and 9 are the factors, two factors. Okay, and the answer is, okay, the answer is 54. 54 is the product. Okay, 54 is the product. The two factors and the products are parts of the multiplication. Okay, let's understand the concept of multiplication with the help of these colors. Okay, color pencils. There are 4 sections. Okay, there are 4 sections and there are 2 colors in each section. Okay, to get the total number of colors, we add the numbers of colors in all the 4 sections. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8. Okay, there are 8 colors in all. Here we repeatedly add it to 4 times. This is called multiplication. Okay, this is called multiplication. Multiplication is repeatedly addition. Okay, this multiplication operation in an easier way, let's see how there are 4 color section. Okay, there are 4 color section. Each section has 2 colors in it. Now 4 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so there are 8 colors in all. Okay, there are 8 colors in 4 sections. 2, 2, 2, 2, 4. There are 4 sections and there are 2 colors in one section. 4 multiply 2 equal to 8. Okay class? 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 color section group. Okay. 2 colors in each section. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. Okay. 8 colors in all. 4 times 2 is 8. Let us use the multiplication symbols to write this statement. This is called the multiplication sentence. Okay, it can be read as 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 twos are 8. We read as 4 twos are 8. Okay. Now we are starting our chapter 3, multiplication tables of 2, 5 and 10. Okay class, you can see there is a party going on. There are some children, some cakes, pastries and some sausages and some cupcakes are there. Okay, you can also see the balloons. Okay, there are 4 groups. Okay, there are 4 groups of balloons. Each group has 3 balloons. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus is equal to 12. Okay class, 4 3 times equal to 12. Moving toward lesson 1, multiplication. Recap. You can see there are 4 groups of balloons. Okay, and each group has 3 balloons. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay, 4 groups of 3 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. Okay class, 12 is as read as 4 times 3 is equal to 12. There are 12 balloons altogether. There are 12 balloons altogether. You can count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. There are 12 balloons altogether. On page number 63, in focus, how many chocolates are there in each box? Let's learn. Question number 1, how many chocolates are there in each box? We have 10 chocolates in each box. Okay. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus equal to 10. Okay. 5 times multiply 2 equal to 10. And in this box, there are also 10 chocolates. Okay. There are also 10 chocolates. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 2 times multiply 5 equals to 10. Okay, 5 multiply 2 equal to 10 is the same as 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. Question number 2. How many dots are there? How many dots are there? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, 2 times multiply 3 equal to 6. And 2 times 3 multiply equal to 6. Okay, 2 multiply 3 equal to 6 is the same as 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. Question number 3, multiply 3 by 4. Multiply 3 by 4 because there are 4 sections or 4 groups of puzzle blocks, and in each section or group there are 3 puzzle blocks. Okay, number of groups are 4 and number of objects in each group 3. Okay, 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. We can also write 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Okay, 3 multiply 4 is the same as 4 multiply 3. Okay, question number 4, multiply 2 by 8. Multiply 2 by 8. There are 8 groups of objects. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 groups. Okay, 2 multiply 8 equal to 16. Okay, 2 multiply 8 equal to 16. 2 plus 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 equal to 16. Okay, 8 plus 2 time equal to 16, or 2 plus 8 time equal to 16. We can also write 8 multiply 2 equal to 16. Okay, 2 multiply 8 is the same as 8 multiply 2. Okay class, it's your activity time. You can see there are 3 sections. Okay, in each section there are 2 animals. Okay, in each section there are 2 animals. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, we can add 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 equal to 6. 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. There are 6 animals altogether. In section 1 there are 2 tigers, and in section 2 there are 2 giraffes, and in section 3 there are 2 zebras. Okay, 2 tigers plus 2 giraffes plus 2 zebras equal to 6 animals. Okay, 3 times 2 multiply equal to 6. There are 6 animals altogether. On page number 64, practice. Question number 1, how many dots are there? How many dots are there? Part A. Okay, there are 3 rows of 5 dots. Okay, 3 rows of 5 dots. 3 multiply 5 equal to 15. Okay, and in this picture or in this section you can see there are 3 columns of 5 okay dots, 3 columns of 5 dots. Okay, 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. Okay, 3 multiply 5 equal to 15, same as 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. Part B, you can see there are 4 columns of 3 dots. There are 4 columns of 3 dots. 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. Okay, in this group you can see there are 3 columns of 4 dots. 3 columns of 4 dots. 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Okay, 3 multiply 4 equal to 12, same as 4 multiply 3 equal to 12. Question number 2. Part A, multiply 5 by 4. Multiply 5 by 4, okay? 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. Class, 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. Part B, multiply 6 by 3. Multiply 6 by 3. 6 multiply 3 equal to 18, okay? 6 3's equal to 18, okay? Okay class, hope you understand this chapter, multiplication. Remember me in your prayers and Allah Hafiz.